On World Wide Web, it's your boy Marlon Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, sometimes when it rains, it pours, okay? I had a big plumbing problem, got really cold in my area over the last week or so, guys. The snow, sleet, busted a pipe, $15,000 plumbing job, guys. And the plumbers came out, dig the back hole to fix the pipe. They cut my cable, guys, and so my computer's been off for the last 3 days. That's why you guys ain't seen me doing a lot of videos, right? So anyway, the Comcast guys here now, guys. They get ready to fix my cable. They fixed the plumbing problem, guys. We're back in business. Anyway, guys, on a positive note, right, just added another 100 people to my mailing list, guys. All right, you guys know I'm an email marketer, right? Just picked up about 30 new sign-ups in one of my business opportunities. I'm not going to talk about that right now too much because there's a video I'm going to do to tell you guys how you can fly high under the radar, guys, without even talking initially about the business opportunity that you're in. We're going to do a video later on this week on that. So anyway, guys, what I want to talk about in this video, I want to give you guys a few points to ponder. Why is it that they call a pair of pants when it's just one? Why do you drive on a parkway and park in a driveway? Is there any such thing as guilty bystanders? And last but not least, guys, why do we always so determined to make making money online so complicated? Okay, I can understand if you're brand new, because when I first started, I thought it was really complicated too. But it's not as complicated as it seems, guys. And what I want to tell you, what I want to talk about is the fact that it really can be a simple process, okay? And because the cable guy is coming to finish the cable out, what I want you guys to see is a video presentation I prepared for you. You're gonna find a link for it right below this YouTube video. I want you guys to click that link and let me take you over to a presentation where I'm going to show you guys how you can simplify the money-making process. Really simple. I got a lot going on in my mind, guys, and I'm really excited about the cable getting ready to be able to go on so I can start doing some more videos. Anyway, I just had to do this video because I'm having YouTube video withdrawal, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys on the inside. Click the link below this YouTube video, guys, so I can take you over to a very simple and easy process for making money online. Let's not complicate things. I'll see you guys on the inside.